5. Okay. Second elimination. Second elimination for the open mix. Beginner production ready. One of my colleagues, announcer of motocross racing, is Richard Dinawagan of Pinakilan, Cebu. He's having his birthday today. And to Leo Limbaga, advance happy birthday, brother. And now the birthday celebrant who is celebrating their birthday today. Happy birthday! Enjoy your birthday! Huh? Birthday kayo mo ron, alawa. Huh? Because naamoy motocross sa yung birthday. Huh? You are motocross racing during your birthday. Okay? Ang pinaka-swerte mo dyan. Because ang imong birthday na tumungkod sa imong adlaw na natawan. Wala pinaka-swerte na tumungkod sa imong adlaw na natawan imong birthday. Huh? White flag is up. One more lap to go with the second set elimination for the open mix. So beginner production, get ready. Alright, we're going to beginner production. Please get ready now. And we'd like to thank, of course, the signal, no? And the Eagle Air. We have now the Eagle Air. So hanapin nyo lang ang signal button, and we have the promo right now. Buwan lang mo dito, grabe ito pumamad o, pila ka bento ko, right bento, sa tuwag mo, kaya ganyan sir. Okay, let's start the introduction to the open mix. Okay, atong open mix because atong isagol lang atong underbone and the indoor. No? Sagol lang atong underbone and indoor. Okay? Wala nag-mix na siya. Okay?
Yandar, nagbalik sa. Yandar to, nilan na to. So, nasa skinalasan. Di ang paso. Yang ikuritas o. Puskan mo kung siyo. Iyarang motor na. Wala mapalng ito din na tumabsan. Oh. Oh. Oh, pukay motor. Racing bike, no?
Okay, what's for the opening of the King's Week Residence and Lodge? Bakay Dumaguete City. And of course, they have the bar and restaurant. And to be open soon this April. Rooms available for short time and long time. Short time. Dito discount na naman. Tanang mga brutsa na discount. discount. And please contact Engineer Jack Pepina.
Ganda, nagyapo.
Jack, ako lang pala, humano ay, lamig ito room 69. Ningaw. Okay, ningaw kayo ng room 69. Okay, white blood is up.
Palong na po, no?
One more lap to go for the third set elimination.
White gasolina.
Let's try to find the Ezra Light and Sound. Okay, Ezra Light and Sounds. Pagkaalam niyo si Oracle Bukit Pwede, kayo. Bukit Party. Kasal. Kailangan mo magka-sounds mo mag-ay. Haya, pwede gano. Manila. Dito ko ng sounds eh. Lahit ko na Manila. Pag-isa kayo, haya na singalong. Checkered flag is up. Checkered flag is up. Ay, napilog sa Wando. Dito, klaro ko sila check. Ay, Wando. Thank you for joining the race here in Calala. No? Miso talin, no? Alin talin sa Bacolod na Occidental. No? Isa na mga Ilonggo talin. Tama ba Ilonggo talin? Ha? Sino mga Ilonggo ho? Ha? Oh. Di pa ka ba nakato sa Bacolod? Tignan mo nga bongbong. Bongbong? Tignan mo bongbong. Oh. Hindi man pwede na tayo. Bongbong. No? Kaya mo bongbong ka mo, makita ka mo kung may bongbong. No? Pagkagulo nga mga expectator. Viewers. Okay, video! Video production! Okay, ulit. Get ready. Ready for ulit. Okay, Jason C. Jason C. takes the lead. Tama ba? Oh, Jason C. takes the lead for the beginner.
Una to sila, si gwapo kay mga motor, oh.
Okay, Jason C. Isa to yung dalawa. Okay, magpapagin gano'n sa mga and we have a good. Okay, we have second position, Aranas. Bata, racing bike na may napataan, eh.
Puro racing bike, ha.
What? And we have, Apilas, okay.
Napigo sa screen, napigo anay. Oo, ninig-click ko.
Okay, still on the lead, Jason C. Right behind is Aranas. Raymond Bayo, going south to six. Huh? Riding for Ligasano and Palangao.
Nawas kurbada, lopek siya. Tawa.
It's Lucas Saito. Okay. It's Lucas Saito. Okay, coming up.
Laka!
Okay. Right now the side.
Turra!
Okay, check it for Johnson and Aranas and Aras. Okay? So, enjoy lang, enjoy. Huh? Enjoy the racetrack, feel the racetrack, feel the whip and everything. Huh? Enjoy lang. No pressure.
Dagko ra kayo ni. Kilo gamay dong kay Biska yata ni. Mama no
Okay, showtime! Okay. Who's down with that thing in? Where is this? Magpailecha na sa kaduhan. Magkatuloy. Puntong. Asana. Pausel, coming up second. Pausel, Lago Lisa. Lago Lisa is up fourth. Okay, Jose now leading the race. Jose now leading the race. Mark Valencia still on top.
Hindi siya kapas, Sara.
Qualifying by for WF. WF6 position. Okay, Hauser, back, move. Okay, nagkabalo si Hawaii, nagpanggalay po. Nagpanggalay si Drew.
Bunal Mark!
Okay, yellow. Okay, right back for Caguanas Mark Valencia.
Ay, nalagyan mo.
Ikaw na.
Ano?
Anton Morales. After stop cycle, Morales na nagulang. Okay, stop cycle. Sintong ba? Second flag. Itong gaw na. Ganyan. Mark.